Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing software on PC. And in this video, I will show you now how to create media folder files in CapCut software. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do here is to be sure to import a media file. It can be audio or video or JPEG, just like what you see right here. So next thing you want to do here, when you import a media file, go ahead and right click on the media pin environment, then go ahead and click on new folder. Then you have a new folder right here. So you can rename the folder and you can import a separate media file into the folder. So for you to rename the folder, right click on the folder, go ahead and click on rename. So here, this is going to come from, you can name it my audio, my video, or whatever, my video and image folder. Okay, go ahead and hit on save right there. You have it right there. Now, for you to import media file into this folder, double click on the folder, and this is going to open up right here. Go ahead and click on import tab. Then here you can import as many as possible, video file, image file, or whatever. Select one after the other as many as possible. Then you have your folder one right here. So by the time you come to your media right here, then you have. And by the time you click on all right here, then you have your first clip right here, and then you have your folder under the all right here. And you have your first media file right there. You have your folder file right here. So you can go ahead and drag your folder file into the timeline. Then you have the clip, the folder that's been successfully imported. Timeline. So if I bring my head play right here, then you have all the video file that we import into the folder and the JPEG as the case may be. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CapCut video editing software on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.